Here I have one Galaxy Watch 6 and one Galaxy S24 Plus, and in this video I am going to unbox both of them. In this smartwatch we get almost every type of application from Wear OS, and we have one Play Store also. Let me decrease the brightness first. It has two buttons on the right side and one rotatable dial on the front. And as we have got one browser, so you can literally do anything that you think about. Let's head on to YouTube first, and here I am going to search my channel. It was little bit difficult to type the words using the small keyboard, but then also I tried hard. Here is our notification panel. Now let's test the speakers. It's almost the same as we get in our smartphones. And yeah, you can use WhatsApp also in this watch. And here's a wireless charger which we have got. Taking it aside, let's come to our S24 Plus. Here we have got one user manual, one Type-C to Type-C cable, and also one SIM ejection tool. As we all know, S series is famous for its camera. That's why I came here to test my camera. And here are some of the photos. Guys, S24 is famous for its AI feature. Let's try on some photos. Like here I have took Ayushi's photo. Now let's try to change her position. And as you can see, within few seconds it gave us very much seamless result. Now let's try something different. And the result here is very seamless. And here are the result, guys. Even when I was editing this video, I was confused between the original photo and the edited one. Well, this phone also supports wireless charging. Let's check it out. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. This time I tried something different, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Till then, subscribe to this channel. Radhe Radhe.